Hello, good morning. It's Thursday morning, 7:25 a.m. and we're still snowing. Wala gyapon siya muundang guys since yesterday. So hindi pa rin siya tumitigil. Kahapon pa to. So we will spend time cleaning up the car before we can head to school and work. So, dahil naiwan yung mga bata sa school bus, ihahatid na naman ulit namin sila. Kasi ang school bus ngayon, super aga daw dumating. Sabi ng neighbor namin. So, ihahatid namin sila sa school. And then, after that, we are going directly to work kami ni Daddy. So, that's our situation this morning. I'm gonna show you the floor, guys. So that's how thick it is. Now Daddy's cleaning the car. Oh, Kayla too. Oh, mabasa na imong gloves, dear. Ikaw, kuya, you wanna get inside the car? You wanna wear your gloves, please? So nanilhig pas Daddy. Nanilhig pa sa car. Yeah, the other cars are filled with snow. That one is already cleaned. That one is filled with snow too. Baga kaayo siya, oh. It's so thick. Makapal siya. Tingnan niyo.
So icy.
And so icy. Oh, ayaw na kay magaras ang car if imong kuanon. Kanang ayaw na kay gahi man na. Mumelt na anak-nak. It's gonna melt, okay? Oh, get inside the car na. Kaya ato na sa school mag-play og snow, okay?
No.
Oh, say no. Get inside the car now. Kuya, get inside na, lab. You wanna get inside? Oh my god, it's so cold. I touched it with bare hands. There you go. So, libreng panghalo-halo na ice. Malinis naman to kasi nasa top lang siya ng car. So, it's a clean one. You wanna try it, kuya? You wanna try it? Let's try, How does it taste?
It's just water.
It's just water, I know. Kailan kaya matatapos tong snowstorm na to?
Yummy.
Pero hindi na siya malakas compared yesterday. Yesterday was so malakas. But right now, it's not that much. So patapos na rin siya kasi sa forecast, it's gonna end around 9 a.m. I think. So ayan. Kuskus muna bago kami makaalis. Papunta na kami ng school. Oh, nobody cleaned the streets pa. So, ingat-ingat sa ganitong weather. Nagsusnow pa din. Tsaka gloomy. Hi, Daddy. Late na tayo sa work. That's okay. It's okay pa din. Basta safe lang. Kasi dapat mag-ingat sa ganitong na weather condition. Yeah. Kasi it's very slippery, guys. Lalo na kapag hindi pa nalinisan ng mga street cleaners. So usually kasi, naglilinis sila ng madaling araw. Eh, pag nag-accumulate na naman ulit kasi non-stop yung snow, at the middle of the day na naman sila naglilinis. Pero, good thing naman is, sa highway, constant yun nalilinis. So, for example, dito, oh, malinis siya. Hindi lang clear kasi maraming ice. Ayan. So, malinis siya kapag malalaking mga streets. Pero kapag mga residential street, dun sa looban ba yun? Hindi masyadong nalilinis. Ang priority nila is ang little different. Okay. Merong mga nagka-caroling seal. Bonjour! So, ayan. So, yun na nga. Sa highway, lalo na dun sa highway, sa mga malalaking highway dun sa city, siya. Late na nag-snow this year, pero tingnan nyo, agad-agad mataas. 15 centimeters daw yun eh. 15 to 20. Wali tayong mag-overtake lang. We're at Kuya and Kayla's school. Come on. Careful, guys. Okay, the buses are here. Kaya doon na lang si Daddy nag-park sa side. And we have to go. Come on. Kaya hindi malate si Mommy Daddy for work. Be careful ha. It's slippery, okay? Be careful mga anak. Okay, I'm gonna stay here until you go there. Don't walk right there, Kuya. Just walk on the pathway, please. Para di mo masud sa hole. Alright. Be careful. Bye. See ya.
Bye, Daddy.
Take care. Take care. Kuya, your sister, okay? Thank you. So that's the gate towards their yard. That's their new building. This is a big school, by the way. This is the public school here in Quebec, Canada. So it's a French school. And they're going na. Kian, your sister. Kayla, don't run, love. You're gonna slip. It's slippery. So, bawal mag-run. Go now. Ayan. Ang daming mga parents na naghahatiran, oh. So, ayan, papasok na ang mga kids. Aalis na din kami. So, ayun na, nahatod. Bisaya, nahatid na namin yung mga kids. And now, we're off to work. So, that's it for our Thursday morning, guys. With a snowstorm. We'll update you soon again. Thank you so much for watching. And pasensya na kung it's been a while na hindi nakapag-upload. Kasi nga, super busy sa mga bata, sa work. So parang nawalan lang time. Pero right now, I'm trying to upload more videos. So that's it. Have a good day, everyone. And be safe out there. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon again. Bye.
Bye.